Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. You got some sound now, right? How you guys doing? Welcome to the to my webinar. Say hello in the chat. Hi there, thank you. Thanks for coming. Where you from? How's my voice coming in? You see that screen good? Nice. Nashville, beautiful. From Zambia. Trinidad and Tobago. Beautiful. Working from Europe. Beautiful. Welcome. The distance between you and I isn't in miles, it's in time. We're right here next to each other. No sound? Can I get a sound check? Sound check. Sounds good. Thank you, Sid. Very nice. A nod from Jersey. Kernish, good. Thank you. Welcome to the webinar. Sergi, Richard, thanks. Yeah. Excuse the flicker on the screen, of course. That's the MOJO Day Trade room. Here's the zoomies.
Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. This is the MOJO Day Trading screen share, Zoom instructions. These are step-by-step guide right here to help you get your seat and watch my screen, all at zoom.us. The sign-in screens for the Windows and the Mac should be the same on all your computers. You put in your email address and then your password. You click Remember Me.
That's for my MOJO University. People getting situated for that. How's the sound quality? Some people say it's bad. Some people say it's okay. Sound quality there, my friends. Good. Thanks, Richard. Sounds good. Thank you. Welcome, YouTube. Thanks, Peter. Can't hear a word? Check your speaker settings there, Anad. I'm also live on YouTube. Jarrett, thank you. So this is the MOJO Day Trade room right here. Room does a lot of great things. Plays music, stock quotes. Let me see what the news is on AMD right now. There we go. Germany calls on chip and hardware manufacturer. All the news, everything. The room is interactive. It's the best chat room, man. The best chat room. It does a lot of cool things. You're going to learn about this tonight. Right here. That. That's what we're going to be doing tonight. Some Heinz ketchup in, boys. Money. Have a fresh piece of paper, fresh pot of coffee, pen handy, ready to rock and roll. Cool. So people are coming into the webinar, real nice. Thanks for sharing your time with me this evening. I guarantee some empowered edutainment, some education and some entertainment. I'll show you some cool things. One cool thing right off the bat is one of my miners went down in my warehouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to connect to Mojo Miner 5. Watch. And I'm going to restart the miner. Watch this. I'm accessing all my miners. So right here, I'm on my miner. Right here, I'm going to do some vote coin. Watch when I turn on the vote coin miner. New York order detected. Look, GeForce 1070 Ti. Watch the orders come in right here. GPU 2 accepted share, 0 accepted, 5 accepted, 4, 3, 6. New order came in. New York EAD 30822. GPU 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 4. GPU accepted share running at 55 souls, 55 degrees and 505 souls, 525 souls per card, 539 souls. GPU 1 accepted 6, 4, 3, 3, 1, 6, 4, 0, 1, 2, 4. That's Votecoin. One of the most profitable coins to mine with my GPUs. Look at me accepting shares, 63 milliseconds. Order GPU 3, 4, 1, 6, 6, 1, 3, 5, running at 63 degrees, 64 degrees, 63 degrees at 520 souls.
You got some sound now, right? How you guys doing? Welcome to the
There you go. Amazing, right? That's mining Votecoin right there. Look how it's accepting the shares and mining. It's the sickest thing. It runs all day and all night, and I'm making money on every one of those green accepted shares. Look at that. Crypto mining is the most incredible thing ever. Look at those GPUs accepting those shares. Is that the new order? Target 001999999999, New York 773D6CF70 on the blockchain. GPU accepted share 63 milliseconds. A17R0 parameter. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. So that's right there. The my Mojo miners, and I can control all of them in the warehouse from my desk at my home. It's amazing. So I hope you thought that was pretty cool. You guys like that? Pretty cool with the Votecoin. You see how that worked? Did you see that? Did you guys see that? Any of that? Yeah, it was cool, huh? I know. It's sick. I know. It's all day and all night. Wait till I show you. You ready to start? Let's do it, guys. More people will come in, I'm sure, but I'm going to show you right now how to day trade for a living and become the next pro trader. I'm here personally. I'm here live. I was just turning on my miner in the warehouse. I control it. I crypto mine also. It's one of my sources of revenue, passive income that I'll show you tonight, which is like day trading, passive income, a lot of different income streams. But before we get on, let me tell you right off the bat that MOJO Day Trading, we're a provider of stock market education. We're not a registered investment firm, an advisor. We don't do brokering with the securities and any government regular authority because the business services don't require such. You understand there's a very high degree in risk in trading stocks, crypto, Forex, anything is risky. You should always consult your tax advisor. Hypothetical computer simulated performance and simulations are not guaranteed accuracy or completeness like actual performance records, and no part of this webinar could be copied and represented, and that's all my disclaimer. I'm seeing a gray box at the bottom of the left screen. How about now? Do you see me in the top right corner? You see me? Good. So I'll stay here in the top right corner. Yeah, I had moved my thing to the bottom right and it created a box. But thank you for telling me. So now it's fixed. You should be able to see it pretty nicely. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, Kernish. We're already getting along great. So become the next pro trader. I'm the teacher. I'm Pro Trader Mike. See these boards? These are called my learning boards. This is how I teach in Mojo University. My name is Michael Rich, aka Pro Trader Mike. I've been trading for 25 years. My success is based on a proprietary profit system that allows anyone to become a better and more profitable trader. Everything is about compounding daily gains, crypto mining, trading, making the same thing over and over and over with little variance. You'll be able to exceed and replace any income you've ever had before. You don't need $1 million to make $1 million a year. Literally hundreds of traders right now from all over the world are following my simple profit system that I'm going to teach to you, making thousands of dollars every single day. Now, I've been trading for 25 years and I'm a master of my trade. I figured out how to win, and let's start teaching it to you right now. Day trading for a living and why you should do it. Did you know the average American makes $55,775 a year? That's $4,647 a month, $232 per day. Everyone take a moment on your piece of paper and in the chat room. Think for a minute. This is what you can do in 12 months. It's called an outcome goal. If you make $100 a day, it compounds in 240 days to $24,000 a year. That's a really small trader with an account of just $1,000 or $2,000. You get $300 to $500 a day. That's $72,000 into $120,000 a year income. $500 a day is beautiful, making the $120. You need a nice day trading account or a couple $1,000s with the right prop firm, and you're making $500 a day. Then you got $1,000 a day. You want to be able to wake up every day and make $1,000. How the hell are you going to do that without breaking your back and, doing so much for somebody else? $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day, $4,000 a day, $5,000 a day. You're a millionaire. Set yours now. Go ahead and type it in the chat. Let me get an idea. I'm taking notes also. Kernish and Richard, Jorge, Nicholas, Jarrett, Howard, Anad, Chibe, Scott. What's your number? 2,500 a day? You're in this $500,000 a year, Michael. You got to have a 30 grand account. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Chibe, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Jonathan, exactly, I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you exactly how to get to the outcome with the process. Now, your lifestyle, if you guys, I don't know how old you are, but if you're 18 to 25 years old, you're single and you live in an apartment, $5,000 a month is quite the lifestyle. 60 grand a year, 240 days, you make $250 a day. You're 25 to 35 years old, you're getting married, you got a family, you need 10 G's per month is a nice lifestyle. 120,000 a year, 240 days, you make 500 a day. Ages 35 to 65, you better step it up. You're married with children, 10,000 a month's quite the lifestyle. $1,000 a day, 240 days a year, you're making 240. Same thing into retirement. This is the move of how much you really need to be humble and make it, to bring it to the next level. Everything you want to do with Mojo is smarter, not harder. Specific. You want to make your goal as precise and detailed as possible, like you did. Measurable. $500, measure by which you can quantify your rate of your current position, determine if you need to go higher than that because you're doing better, or lower because you're not, making it too hard for you. Are your goals accepted? You want to make $2,500 a day, Mr. Or $5,000, Richard? Well, you're not doing that with a $5,000 account. It's got to be realistic and accepted by others. You got to go to me and say, Mike, look, I want to make $2,500 a day and I have a $500,000 account. Good. I'll accept that. It's realistic. We can put a time phase on it, a date set for when the goal is going to be achieved. In 12 months, I'm going to lay out the plan of process for you. The goal is going to motivate you, and we're going to record every single thing we do in the journal. It's smarter, not harder. I'm going to make it like that for you, because 9 out of 10 day traders fail. Really? Let me tell you why. Lack of knowledge that the firms trade against you. Huge conflict of interest. I'll show you that in Mojo University. Lack of knowledge on how the market makers fake you out. I'll show you that in Mojo University. I'm teaching my live class of Mojo University in 2.5 weeks. First week of June, Tuesday night at 8 p.m. These are some of the slides that I go over, the learning boards, and how I teach in Mojo University, how I'm kind of teaching you tonight. Lack of knowledge on how to scale into the trade, scale out, knowledge of a real trading system. Everyone that comes into my room and I say to them, do you have a strategy or a system? They all say they have a strategy. You can't get by on a strategy. You need a system to go by and a strategy set of rules to play the system. I teach you that in Mojo U. Properly journaling your trades, recording your trades, looking at the good situations and the bad situations and stop blowing up the accounts, looking at small gains and large losses. So if you answered yes to any of the above questions, you shouldn't learn on your money. The tuition cost of trading is brutal. Your first step is here. Take the Mojo Day Trading Challenge that I'm going to show you, reach a profit target, then have your performance evaluated for the opportunity to trade your account live. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get you away from the pitfalls. We're not going to trade pre-market. You're not going to have a sticky note in front of you saying, don't trade pre-market, and I'll tell you why in Mojo University. I'll supply you with one of these mouse pads. Look, when you're done for the day, shut it off. No pre-market. Dude, I had to make a mouse pad because I was so damn bad at making that mistake. So I'll teach it to you. Patience. Don't be greedy. How to use your inner person. How to shut it off when you made your money. How to scale properly. How not to get stopped out of trades. How not to overtrade. How not to maximize. No one's maximizing. How no one knows how to read level 2. These are all the pitfalls that the day traders are going through. They have no idea how to succeed because they all fall off the end of the cliff. They make mistakes. Trade pre-market. It ruins the opening wave. Thinking you're going to miss something and it ruins the day. I have journaled in my journal 1,000 pre-market trades. I have been able to successfully get 995 of them at a better price when the market opened. I was greedy. I couldn't wait. I've journaled it 1,000 times. Now I have a mouse pad about it to teach me and to help me not to do it. Stop after you hit your daily goal. 9 out of 10 times, I give back my daily profits. I created the Mojo Wave theory, which I explained to you in Mojo University. Scaling mistakes. In Hines, playing ace-ace versus king-king. My poker examples versus stopping stations. Ace-5, ace-8. Do you play pocket aces the same way you play ace-5? Of course not. You don't play with the same trade size and aggressiveness. The stronger the hand, the bigger the push, the more money you make. The weaker the hand, you can feel it and back off. It's the same thing in trading. Now, what I do is I supply everybody the tools like this, a compounding sheet of tracking ability. Let me show you how it works. Week number 1, you start with your trading account with $30,000 and you make 5% for the week, because we make 1 to 5% a day. So let's under promise and over deliver. And let's make $1,500 for the week. Easy peasy. 31.5. My weekly income, I take half of that in my pocket. And I grow my account $30,750. I make $1,500, take out $760. My first month I made $3,000. My next month I made $3,400. My account's at $35. Right here, after the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, I've done pretty well. Look behind my head. 78,000 the first year, 144 the next year, 248 in year 3, and you have $1 million account. Look. Week 23, you're at 517,000. And I reduced the weekly return to 4%. Still to under promise and over deliver, because you have more money now. You're making $20,000 a week. Look at that. Monthly income, 16,000, 17,000, 19,000. At the end of year 3, your monthly income is 31,000. You're at 1 million cracked your account. You're making $41,000. It's unbelievable. And there's the numbers, all plain as day. And we're going to make sure you check off day by day, week by week. We start off with the challenge. We move into the live, and you track it. I'll supply everybody that sheet. You need that sheet. What is day trading besides the sheet? What is day trading? Day trading for stocks and crypto use my same profit system. Both are based on the Heinz trade play, which I'm going to teach you, and positive expectancy. Buying at a low price and selling at a higher price. Day trading is placing the trade in the same day. It usually lasts only a couple of minutes. Swing trading is holding that trade overnight. Could be the next day, could be a week later, could be a month later. Who knows when it's going to work? That's swing trading. I'll give you an example of a day trade. You buy 1,000 shares of VLTC in a Heinz sequence, $9. And in 15 minutes, sell it at $9.50 for a 50-cent gain, and you bought 1,000 shares. As a day trader with me, and I'll teach you, you got to buy 1,000 shares of everything. It's a $500 profit. It's that simple. There's 5 steps to working with Mojo. Number 1 is you get the beginner day trading school for $9.98. It's a free course that I've made available, and I've had hundreds of people take this course in the last month since I've made it available. Now, step 2 is joining the Mojo Day Trade Room. So we want to do that, and I'm going to give you a deal tonight to participate to get you in that room. Then you're going to paper trade with coaching and reviews before you risk your real money. Then you're going to graduate and take the Mojo University live course that I'm teaching in 2 weeks. And you're going to start to make real money every day. This is your roadmap. Write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Let's accomplish. You should have already taken this school. It's free. It's right on my homepage. Special bonus number 1, my best-selling video. See this VLTC? We're buying 1,000 shares at 9. Ooh, $9.39. $10. Got to learn how to use the level 2. It's the basis of my business. I'm going to give it to you tonight. Bonus number 1, a $99 value add. Right in your pocket. Done. There's 6 amazing bonuses tonight and today that are worth $3,484 of my hard-earned sweat and knowledge that you're going to get today. Little bit about me is I'm married with 2 kids. I used to be a professional poker player. My work background's extensive. I've been involved in many different businesses. I've day traded for 25 years. I started the MOJO Day Trading Room in 2012. My newsletter the same year. My university, I taught Alan, my first student, Alan Shu, Pro Trader Alan, in 2013, in January. He's still with me. He's the most amazing trader that I've ever met, ever. Very humble guy. 47,000 followers on Twitter, 3,000 YouTube subscribers, and 2 million YouTube views since the last time I updated that learning board. Now, I have 1,482 videos on YouTube. I do a lot of live trading, so you could check out Pro Trader Mike on my YouTube channel. And everything that we do is done in the MOJO Day Trade Room. And you see that room right here. Screen's frozen. I see that on YouTube. Is the screen frozen for Zoom? You guys see the Discord? You see it? It's frozen, or you see the Discord? Oh, you see it? Discord chat room. Shoot. I don't know why the Zoom's messed up. It's connecting. Because it's not projecting the, I don't know, it's still frozen. Oh, no, there it goes. Sweet. See that? I fixed it on YouTube, boys. Thanks for your help. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Fixed it. So everything happens in the MOJO Day Trade Room. The best. Thanks, Wet Willie. You guys, thank you. So the Day Trade Room is the best. And we have a stock and crypto trading channel, active roster of the traders. Let me show you how the room is right here. So you see the moderators up top, me and Pro Trader Mara here. And then you have Alan that comes in. And you have the pro traders right here. The average pro trader's been with me for 3.5 years. Then the traders are below them. These are the guys that have only just enrolled in the room, haven't taken my course. Then I have the bots that do all the watching of the room, 13 other people online, and then offline right now, 719. So I probably have around 900 members of the MOJO Day Trade Room. It's the greatest day trading chat room and crypto chat room. It's the best. It's got a photo album. That's my home, my house right there, my backyard, my guys' trading stations. These are the traders that came and saw me at my house. Real nice. My setup at the house. The people's day trading stations. There's Gerardo and another Edwin's station right there. Real nice. Alpha. We've got the profit album, you know, all the day of the trades, testimonials. general chat, stock trading, my live when I come on the mic, and then crypto down below that. So it's really a great chat room. It's the best. Got my live screen share. That's just for the members of the chat room. And my service, I actually share my screen just like I am now, so you could see my trading platform as I'm talking live, calling out the trades. It's quite amazing and excellent. When you come in as a new trader, I give you fair warning that you should hold off on your trading, either paper trade or do a tenth of your normal size. You're not looking to make a profit, but you're looking to learn my scaling sequence and methodology. Hold off. It sucks when I win and everyone else wins and you lose doing the same trade because you don't know what you're doing. So I go through my morning routine. Every morning I scan for the hottest stocks by volume, float, and price. I create my watch list in the Mojo room. I check all my systems. I review my journal. I get my coffee, and I'm ready to trade the open. The trading's plan has been the same for 6 years. It's patience, patience, patience. I wait for the open. I look for 3 trades to get involved with. They're typically the better trades of the day. We're usually done by 11 a.m. The key is patience. The plan is nickels and dimes on smaller stocks, quarters and 50s on largers. We do it 4 to 5 times a day. We're done. Once we hit our goal, we stop trading for the day. That's the trading plan every single day. I hope you like my learning boards. I like to make this educational and entertainmentable, edutainment. And that's how I like to teach. So in the room as well, after we hit our goal, this goes out every day for 6 years, 20 days a month to trade, guys. 18 out of the 20, we're usually done by 10:30. Today, we're done early. We hit our goals, therefore trading in the room's over, but it will stay open till 4 p.m. in read-only mode. We conduct trading as a business. We don't trade to have fun. We wait for the trades to present themselves, and that's the name of the game. Keep it profitable. Done for the day. See you tomorrow. That's the business. New Trader Help Guide. I help a lot of new traders showing you how to buy 1,000 shares, 500, 500, or 1,000 in one shot. 2,000 shares. You got a couple different combinations. 500, 500, 1,000. You can go 515, or you can go 1-1. Scaling into the trades. 3,000 shares. You can go 515, 500, 1,000, 15, or you can just go 1-1-1. When you go 10,000 shares, there's a lot more flexibility. 1-2-7, 1-9, 2-8, etc. And this is the help kind of guide with sequences and trading methodology that I help my traders with, that I'll help you. Do you want to learn the system that the traders are using to make thousands of dollars a day trading the stock market? Is it a system that's easy to follow and profitable day in, day out? Does the profit system work? Well, let's take a look. Since 2014 in the MOJO Day Trade room, it sure does. This trader was $1 million in profits. He's $72,000 in 6 months away from $1 million. You could see it right here. He's been with Mojo for 8 weeks. He's traded 7 of those 8 weeks for $143,000 profit. I'm a small trader, $20,290 year to date. When I listen to Mike, I make money. I'm up $1,500 in the last week. I made 5 figures today with Mike. With that kind of money, you can have any kind of lifestyle you want. Trading for a living and your lifestyle. Beautiful. One of these houses is mine and yours. Which one is it? You have a beautiful chateau. You have an amazing apartment. You're living the right kind of lifestyle, making 1,000 a day, 2,000 a day. That's all you need. And I got the system to do that. You want to have a nice car? Easily possible. Compounding the money. It's not a big hit that's going to get you that car, because then the big hit's done. You're not going to make another one and make any more money. And you're going to have a big house and a car, but cash poor. You want to be able to compound the money to be cash rich, to have the beautiful lifestyle. Any which one of them you want, guys. You choose. I choose. I got that. Got that beautiful house. That's my car. That's what we want to do. So the power to succeed is there. Over the last 6 years, I've taught my university class to hundreds of students all over the world, supplying the education and tools for my system. Okay, I thought it would play the video. It doesn't. This is Pro Trader Ant from Norway. This guy is a lifetime member of MOJO Day Trading and a master student. He's paid $10,000 for the program, first 2. In the tuition rebate program, got that money paid back to him, and is now a lifetime student. Pro Trader Gerardo helped moderate the room also. Young guy from Miami, millionaire trader. This guy, Pro Trader Allen, my first student in 2013. This guy hasn't lost in 2 years and 1 month. It's really phenomenal. This guy right here used to text me every day. Curious, when was the last time you had a losing day? What's the streak at? I can't remember. I've had losing trades, but probably hadn't had a losing day in over a year. Awesome. Making the world believe we could do the change the curve. I'm an awesome caddy. Then it was 2 years and 1 month. He went 500 days without losing 1 day in the market, following my picks in the Mojo room. Compound those days, guys. He's taken Mojo University 7 times. 7. He's going to take it again in 2017 as a refresher. And this is last week on May 7th, 2018. I've had 1 losing day of less than $1,000 since November of 14. It's now May of 2018, folks. And he's in the room every day. He's a champion to help you and guide you along with anything that you need as well. Believe in yourself. Stop your negative thoughts. Bonus number 2. My chat room for $99. You got the level 2 video. My Mojo chat room for the crypto, $99 a month. Bonus. 3 months of each. $297 value. Ching, add it in your pocket. Done. You're welcome. You're welcome. 3 months. You like that? Gets better. You like it, gets better. Gets better. Gets better. Yeah, watch. You know the roadmap. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We accomplished step 2. I got you. You already should have watched the free school. Shame on you if you didn't. That level 2 video's in the free school. Step 2, join the room. I just got you to join for 3 months free. Paper trade and reviews. I got a review. Dude, we're going to go play golf on the tour and make money. You're on my team. We got to go play golf together. I got to take you to the range. I'm a scratch golfer. I got to see your grip, how you hit it. Dude, all the whole 9 yards, baby. Then all happens in Mojo University. Then you're ready to knock the ball out of the park, hit the green, be a champion. It happens with the demo challenge. You're going to trade a small account to a large account. Simple. Follow the rules and start trade your real money. Trade for 20 days, 1 month of sacrifice of not risking real money. Trade according to the account parameters. If you got 30 grand and 120,000 in buying power with that account, you should do a simulated account with 120,000 in buying power. hit your daily profit goal, trade for 2 weeks, profitable. Don't have to be a month, 2 weeks. I'll review your trades with you, then turn it on live. That's the thing. I'm going to lifeguard you. I'll save the day. If you have trouble, your trade station, I'll show you how to get set up with your desk, whether it's a desktop, a laptop, how to set up the platforms and the screens. I'm going to show you what kind of computers to get for the day trading, the specs that you need for your computers, the graphics cards, the monitors, the keyboards, the CPUs, the coffee machines, what you need for a day trading computer, your internet connection, to do a speed test with all my students to make sure you have a proper internet connection. So when the stock opens up at 9:30 and the data's coming in as fast as can be, you ain't getting bogged down and knocked out from the internet costing you money. And my downloads, $359, my uploads, $429. If you want to make a note of that and run a speed test for yourself, you go to speedtest.net, hit go, and run your connection. I'll help you when you join the school. I have a consultation with you. Check it out. So this guy right here just joined. Right here. Just subscribed to the room yesterday. What's your PayPal name? Awesome. Welcome. Thank you. He has access to the channels. He's got 30 grand in his IRA. I told him I'm with IB also. I trade on the Dash Trader. Do you have a strategy or a system? I go by a simple moving average. He has nothing. So you have none. Do you have a microphone? I need to speak to you. He doesn't. So he got it set up. I showed him how to set it up. We had a phone call back and forth for 30 minutes. I showed him what the Heinz trade play was, how to build the business, what we're going to do. This is it. And I spoke to him for 30 minutes, just like I'm going to speak with you and get to know who you are and help you out individually. I do that with every single trader. The simulator. After you get your home computer set up and everything is set up in copacetic, you got everything. You're going to open up your simulated trading account, download the platform, watch an instructional video I made for you on the day trading platform. Then I'm going to coach you and watch your trades. And we're going to repeat this until you're ready to trade live. And you're going to have a lot of coffee. The simulator with Dash Trader is $150 a month if you open up your account with DAS. The platform fee is $150 a month, and then they can give you a simulated account too. With this trading platform, it's only $99. There we go. Interviewed several folks. Look, this guy just said, interviewed several folks. Mike's the only guy who picked up the phone and called me. Thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Appreciate that, bro. Thanks, man.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Thanks. So again, with the trading, I'm giving you the room for free, but the feed from the provider is $99 a month. So you pay just for that. That's your hard cost. And I'll coach you. You don't have to pay for the room. Just pay for that. And I'll coach you and watch your trades. We'll do a review in the afternoon, live. Me, you, and I'll help out some of the other traders as well. You download the platform. It's TradeX. It looks exactly like my DAS. Got the screen, the level 2. All you're doing is buying market and selling market. I say Heinz 90, you got it set on 100, you press buy. You click it to 95. At 95, you press 400, you're in for 500, and then you do another, you're in for 1,000 at 97. And then the thing goes through, you press market sell, you made money. It's that simple. We do it 3 times a day. You hit your goal in 30 minutes, you're done for the day. Telling you. It's that easy. International traders, no problem. 2,000 minimum account, no PDT rule, up to 10-to-1 buying power. You keep all the profits, level 2, everything, the whole 9 yards. International traders, I'll help you get set up. This is the platform. It's called TradeX. 10-to-1 buying power, 100% of the profits, 150 platform fee, and a per share basis. Like short trader, if you buy 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares, it's $15. With this platform, it's a nickel, a nickel, a nickel. It's 15 cents. It's a big difference, and it can make you hugely profitable. And I show you right there the difference on a per share versus a per ticket, where you could see on the learning board on 1,000 shares versus 10,000 shares on a per ticket basis. If you're a big trader and you got a big account, you switch it to a per ticket, so you're only paying $3.50 versus $35.50. If you're a small trader, you want to be on a per share, because at 0.0035, it's only $3.50. This is what you're going to do. This is in my Mojo toolbox. I give you a toolbox with all these graphs and tables to keep track. You take your account equity in the challenge and you put day one. What did you make? What's your ROI? What's your total account? What's the count the next day? And the commission. Then this next day number goes right here. Then daily P&L, daily ROI, total, commission, end of the day. The next day goes there on 3. And you do this every day for a month right here until you become profitable. And we fill out this sheet and I make you a machine of profitability. If you lose one freaking day in the market, one day trading, these other rooms and services, they glorify their free. Yeah, I lost 4,200. Yeah, I'm going to make it. Yeah, I lost big this week and 2 days in a row. Dude, you lose one day, it takes 3 days to make that back. You only got 20 days to trade. Do the math. If you lose, it's a losing formula. You can't do this business. It's too tough. You need a 95% accuracy system and a system based on positive expectancy that wins every time. If I hold this pen up and I drop it, I bet you it freaking hits the table. You want to bet $100? I'll bet you. I just want 100. Pay me. Want to do it again? 100. I'll sit here all free, but I'll stop after like $2,000 because I'll be humble. I don't want to break the pen or nothing. So I'll save it because I think the pen's got to drop. In the next 5 years, I'm sitting here for 100, at least 1,000,000 times. So I want to preserve the pen. Look at what I'm doing in the bigger picture of compounding. That's what I'm teaching. That's what I'll show you what to do. Single, single, single. Okay? I'm going to show you my awesome trade play called the Heinz. How to make $1,000 every morning in 60 minutes and less. Check it out. What the hell is a chart? Is that a candlestick or a candle wick? I have no idea. What's a chart? The Heinz and day trading is not based on charts. That's why 9 out of 10 people lose, because every other person that teaches you trading teaches you chart formations that move off charts. And that's 15 minutes after the fact. That's swing trading, charts. Day trading is the level 2, looking under the hood at the supply and demand with the institutions. Where's the size of the shares coming from that's going to move it in the direction that the chart's going to go? That's what I want to know. And I figured out a glitch from journaling in my journal, like I was a poker player, and how I figured out a certain hands won. I looked and I traded for 6 months. And then I looked at every one of those trades and I noticed my winners were all at the same price.
Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby. Oh, damn, baby.
Yeah. Oh, damn. All the winners were at the same price. Just as that stock approached 90 cents under the even number, 4, 7, 15, 33, it didn't matter what it was. It would move slow. It would go 90, 93, 94, 95, back down, 93, 89, 92. It would stay right in that little zone, like a brand new bottle of ketchup. Pop it, it really don't do nothing. See So you got to hit it a couple times. Let me buy an entry, 100 shares at 90. See if it goes higher. If it does at 95 cents, I'll buy more. Hit it a couple more times. When it gets to 97, 98 cents, just under that even number, 6,000 times in a row, it's gone through based on positive expectancy. It goes through. Want to see again? It goes through. And when it goes through, it's like the ketchup flying out of the bottle. That's why I call it the Heinz trade play. And I've made a cute little acronym name for each one of my trade plays and a nice learning board that will go through. Check out this shizzle, folks. The Heinz, the trade play that works in stock and crypto when the price approaches 80, 90, 95, just under the whole number, momentum and positive expectancy take over and the price goes through. What's positive expectancy? When you first started to trade, did you judge your results? If you're like most novice traders, you had a little understanding of the concept of trading expectancy. So you focused entirely on your win rate in the early days. You're probably trying to win 80 to 90% of your trades, but it's a struggle because you can't achieve it. Your small wins don't cover the big losses and you hit the unlucky string and you can't recover. While high win rates can be achieved by an experienced master like myself with a system that allows for a huge drawdown, it's difficult for most traders to sustain the percentages. From there, you shift to a risk-reward ratio. As long as you can win more than you can lose and remain profitable, it'll work for you. But then even 3 or 4 times as much profit on a winner, your struggle continues. Your win rate drops dramatically. Even with the big win wasn't enough to cover the string of the losses. So you need a system that wins every time that you trade it. Trading with confidence through positive expectancy. One of the biggest mistakes that the traders make is entering the battlefield called the market without a trading edge. Just would be foolish for a samurai warrior to enter the battle without knowing the quality and condition of his choosing weapon and armor and trader, the quality of his trading edge. Without this knowledge, how can you be confident in the face of adversity? Only through research, testing, and focused practice can the trader be fully confident in their edge and trading expectancy. You need to have an intimate knowledge of your trading plan and confidence in your ability to execute with precision if you want to succeed on the battlefield. Many would-be traders have fallen due to a lack of preparation. Don't be one of them. Know that your trading expectancy is the edge called the Heinz trade play. Embrace your edge, keep your discipline, carve out your piece with confidence. This is how I teach Mojo University. I hope you dig it, you're enjoying it, and you're learning. Level 2, understanding it. It's called a montage, M-O-N-T-A-G-E. The level 2 is displayed within the montage, okay? You have the left side, 472 with a 108 with an ACB. The thing right here on the left, ACB, ARCA, EDGX, that's the market maker ID. That's who it is, what firm. This is the price they're willing to bid, the shares they're willing to show. The ask, 473. The number of shares on the ask. It shows bid and supply demand. Shows signals for which direction. These numbers all mean something. And I'll show you right now. Called the Heinz trade play. You're going to buy number 1. You're going to buy 3 times. The first one, 1,000 shares. We'll do 100 shares. 100 shares at $39.95, 90 to 95, 100. As soon as it hits 90 to 95, right there, 100 shares. As soon as it goes 95 and higher, you're buying again. You want to buy another time before it gets into the even number? Go for it. Self-belief, positive expectancy. Look, July 13th, 2017 at 1550.07, stocks 39.96 by 39.97 with a signal right there at 40, the 103. You see that big number? It's bullish. If you know that a large ask is bullish, you'll win 80% of the time. So I'm playing Heinz in anticipation that it goes through the 103. And I'm telling you, anticipation. Anticipation, baby. Look at it when it goes through. 3 minutes later, 40.08 by 40.09. That stock will go to 41. 80% accuracy. You follow these two rules, and you will be 80% accurate on all your trades. I've taught the world this, dude. Every guru that has I've been doing this since the beginning, 3 out there. There were 3 of us when I started. Now there's 3,000 of us. Everyone who makes a winning day in the stock market replicates a website and is a teacher. Great. Well, if you even trade at 80%, you can't make a living trading. If you lose one day, it takes too many days to make it back, and it puts you in a bad situation because you have no system. You shouldn't have lost anyway. The trend is your friend. Stocks in motion stay in motion. You remember that in crypto and in stocks. A big ask is bullish. You see this image right here of ONTY? You see it 255 right here on the ask, all the way down here on the red where my mouse is? See it? It started right here, right underneath it, 239 by 40, 241 with a big 1400. That shit went right through from 947 to 953 in 6 minutes, from 250 to 240, because it went through that big ask of the 1406. Move to the right. Big bid is bearish. You got this one right here at 201 with a 1502 on the bid. It's the biggest number. The biggest number is on the left. It's going lower. And look, it went from 201 to 178. It got destroyed. How could you have saved yourself by knowing that little tiny trick? The bar on that chart went red, 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 down huge. We knew it 15 minutes before because of the 201. That's what I teach in MOJO U. Let me show you. VLTC. Everybody, right now on your piece of paper, buy 1,000 shares. There's no time to scale in. One shot, $9. Hurry, buy. You filled. Now it's at 9:03. It's at 9:41. If you go and I poll on Twitter with my 50,000 followers and I say, look at this. There's 100 shares, an odd lot, less than 100 at 9:02. 100, 200. There's like 1,000 shares all the way down here from 897 to here. And on the ask is 16,700. And then 9,800, 9,850. Everyone in their right mind would never buy this. But I just showed you a large ask is bullish. It's going higher. So if you bought this at 941 and you got in, look, 941 in 10 seconds, 941 in 30 seconds. Within 20 tenths of a second, it ripped that 903 and went to 913. Then 936. You're up 360. You're up 500. Sell half. Here we go. Just sold half. It's 10 o'clock. 10:07. You're up $700 now. You have half left. 500 shares. Another 250. Boom. Stock's 980. Stock's $10. It ripped $1 from the open. Beautiful Heinz trade, guys. Nice maximizing on the way out. That's what I help you with. It's beautiful. Let me show you another one. You got TSPT. It's 932. We're going to play a 2-scale buy in anticipation of going through the 96 and then going through that 50. A large ask is bullish. So I'll buy in anticipation of it going through $3 Heinz, buy 1,000 shares. Go ahead. It's not traded at a lot of volume. It's only 235, but the market just opened at 932. So everybody write down, buy at, you'll have an average of like 285. If you market order, buy 1,000 shares. You ready? Go ahead, buy 270. Quick. It's 370. It went up $1. Look, 932.04, 933.39. It went from 270 to 370. Sell it. You just made $1,000. Great pick in the Mojo room by reading the level. How did I know that bar was going to do that? Right there, the big numbers. That's what I teach. Let me show you on this one. SPWR, a bigger stock, Sun Power, doesn't matter what the size is. You got the large ask at 21, Heinz trade play, one buy, 1,000 shares, rocket, guys. That's my pick. I just called it in the Mojo room. I put out that picture of the level 2. Buy 1,000 shares now. Positive expectancy, no hesitation, belief in the system. I've never had one not go through. Buy 1,000 shares for $21,000 now. It's traded $4.5 million. There it is. Large ask, 114. It's going to rip that 21. Boom. It went to 21.44 in a minute. Awesome trade, guys. Let me show you this one. 10:51 in the morning, Unixel. 790 by 94. Buy 100 shares. We're going to add at that 96 and at the 8. So that'll be the add. Well, if it goes lower, we lose on 100 shares. Big deal. We lose nothing. But if it goes through, we'll have 1,000. So watch. 794 buy 100. Add at the 99 and 8. And look, within 10:51:09, within a couple of minutes, it went from 209,000 to 700,000, and it ripped right to 855. Omer, August 18th of 2015. I got so many of these. Look at the bid and look at the ask. Look, guys. Omer, the big number is on the left. You see it? On this side. It's going lower. You'd be fooled. It's up $9. You'd buy at $24.19. If you didn't see the signal at 24, look what happens. $23.50. Holy crap, you got destroyed. Look at that. $9.29, you're playing the open. Destroyed. From $24.30 to $23.50, and it went lower. Because you didn't see the big number on the bid. Went lower. Look, JD, 26. It's just like SPWR with that 117 right there. I remember my numbers. 551, 114. I'm playing in anticipation, Heinz, of going through the 26. Buy 1,000 shares. There it is. Buy 1,000 shares. Hurry. It's 9:45:17. It's 9:45:30. You see how I teach, guys? Isn't it cool? Look, 9:56, it Heinzed. 26.20 ripped with a large ask. It's going higher. Look, a large ask. 26.20, 26.35. 26.40. It went to 27.07. Heinz trade play. It's unstoppable. Look, Mankind, 447 by 448. Which way is the chart going, folks? Which way? Higher or lower? Put it in the chat. Which way is it going, guys? The chart. Higher or lower? You better believe it, Steve. Great job. Great job, Serge. You just saved a lot of money, Richard. Michael, you saved a lot of money, brother. Look, 447 with the 533. You better believe it's going lower. 7.6 million. Look, 435 on 8.8. Went from 447. Thing got destroyed, dude. You saved yourself. It went 3 bars lower. How did you know that 15 minutes before? Because you know how to read level 2. Great job, guys. This is one of the best trade plays I've done. No trader in their right mind would ever buy this. It's up $1. It's Apple. It's at 99. On the ask is 2 million shares. Dude, it's like $1 billion. I say, Trey, would you buy that or run for the hills? They'd be like, dude, I ain't buying that. It ain't going higher. I'm gonna run for the freaking hills. Well, watch. At $99, watch what happens to Apple with 16 million. 16.2. It goes 98, 97 by 98, 98. It went lower by 2 cents, but he's sitting right here at 99 with the, you see him? With the 98. It's 11 o'clock, 10 minutes and 54 seconds. Watch that time. Now it's 11:09:59, and she's back at 99 with the biggest amount of shares ever. No one would buy that ever. I'm telling you to buy 1,000 shares now, and you better hurry. 11:09:59, 11:29. It's gone. There's 11.9909 new high, 99.11 new high, and the stock the next day is at 100. This is the largest 12 million shares on the ask. It's the largest signal I've ever seen in 25 years in the level 2. Wow. What do you think it did? It's 11:56:16. Within a minute, it's at $100.20. 120, then 101, then 102. The bigger the shizzle on the ask, the higher it goes. The bigger the spike on that green bar. You guys have really learned a bunch tonight. Great stuff. I'm going to show you one trade play besides the Heinz called my Gonzo. It's so cool that Pro Trader Mike named the trade play after the puppet. It's a pre-move indicator in the level 2, resulting in a huge winner. Let me show you. So you have Twitter right here. 17.99, the high is 18, and on the ask is 459,000 shares. Dude, a lot of damn stock. It's like a freaking Gonzo. So damn big, I called it the Muppet. Makes sense, right? The bigger the number, the higher it goes. Look at the time, 9:56:26. See it? 9:57:04, gone. Ripped it. Look, within a minute, it ripped all those shares, went right through within a minute. All in the trade playbook that I supply you in Mojo University. It's got the V-band trade play. It's got the wow trade play. It's got the one shot. I show you that one. It's got the Hulk trade play. Amazing. I also have my Cupid top, which is scaling out execution strategy. My rail grind to go along with that as well, my wave theory and my auto close trade play, which I'll teach you all and supply you the trade playbook, the green giant trade play, the 5-minute bar sticks up like a green bean. Well, that's a trade play. The lemon squeeze. What's a lemon squeeze? What's the bounty? The Mojo quicker picker upper. That's a really good trade play. Like this one, you see how destroyed the stock is? Well, it's got to turn around. Mojo's going to come in and clean up that spilled milk, the bounty quicker picker upper. And I'm going to show you the box trade play, all live, like I'm teaching you now in Mojo University in a couple of weeks. First week of June to July 4th. This is MOJO University. It's an online classroom where you enroll, and it's called Teachable. You can do it on your iPad. You can watch the courses recorded on your phone. It's an amazing app. You're going to get 100 secrets and 50 aha moments that you need to see in the MOJO Day Trading course. I teach the course live. It's $19.97. Then all those courses are put online, recorded, 2-hour sessions, like this webinar will be recorded. And those courses, just for the online, you don't get the live interaction of those classrooms. If you're from a different country, you just don't have the time, you can sign up for that for $14.97. You're going to get 50 aha moments, kind of some of the things I'm showing you tonight that are like, this is incredible. You're going to get a lot of MOJO tips, like if the trade doesn't work in the first 5-minute bar, the odds go down 50% that it's not going to work. And if it's longer than 15 minutes, it ain't going to work. We want to start taking profits as soon as your inner person gets excited. We average 250 trades a month, 10 trades per day, 15 cents average scalp. Start off by taking a penny less. I'll show you all of that in MOJO U. And swing trading. Now that we've covered day trading, we're going to cover swing trading, because this would be for the professionals that can't find the time maybe to get 60 minutes in the morning, that just want to get a swing newsletter and look at charts and how to decipher charts for further longer term moves. MOJO swing trading. My swing trading system is a system based on William O'Neill's best-selling book, How to Make Money in Stocks. This book is a national bestseller with over 2 million copies. Millions of investors use this system. It works because it's an investing system. It's not a strategy. And I've built a proprietary knowledge base in the small cap realm on the Ken Slim that I teach. The Swing Trade newsletter is sent out every Sunday evening. The picks are presented in an organized fashion, so it's easy to understand and a great way for anyone interested in swing trading to get started quickly. If you're too busy to day trade working the 9 to 5, let me do all the research for you. I identify high probability stock patterns that repeat themselves over and over again. The patterns can be very profitable when executed consistently. I scan more than 8,000 stocks every Sunday night that all have an emphasis on the Ken Slim system. The average win percentage has remained consistent at 90% with an average hold time of 6 days. The average trade gain has been around 17%, and it's an acronym, CANSLIM, that stands for the 7 characteristics of the best performing companies of all time. In 2013, this was the model swing portfolio. It's worked for the last 5 years. Look, I picked Facebook at 25, AMD at 2, Value Vision got bought out, MyTech, Kerex, LCI at 6, 60, Mankind at 2, Celsion, Trulia, Zoma at 3 is 30. Fuel Cell at $1. Plug at 38 cents went to $11. The Ken Slim system, folks. Let me show you. This company LCI. These are the charts that I look at on Sunday. So I look over here on the left in this circle, follow my mouse. In 2011, they lost a penny. Then they're going to make 14, 18, and 31. So they're already telling me the earnings are going to be good. They've done a C in the A, 6 cents and 30 million, 700% increase. 171% increase and a 600% increase. So I'm betting the next one in anticipation will go real good. This stock, the N is right here, a new high. The S, shares outstanding, 28.4, 32% owned by mutual funds. Is it a leader? 81 earnings per share and a 96 relative strength. Institutional sponsorship, 32%. Market momentum, the volume's 5 times greater. This stock has 7 characteristics of the greatest winning stocks of all time. It went from 6 to 60, called the Ken Slim system. Right here, Bitcoin services. Here's my newsletter that I sent out on Wednesday, November 1st, 2017. It says Bitcoin. See the image? We already have the stock at 6. We're going to add more because it's moving higher at 7 and 8. So look here, we picked it at 6. We added here at 8. Then it started to make its move. And it went to 64. Right there, a 965 on Bitcoin services. Look, this is like an average pick, 125,000 shares. I put $9,000 into it. This is my Ameritrade. So I put 9,400 into it. I ended with 31,000, a 327% gain. I made 31,000 on that stock. And this happens all the time. All the time. Right here, last week, March 29th, last month of 2018, and then April 20th of 2018, I picked Riot. See Riot? Bounty, quick a picker-upper at 6. And then I picked eBio. I bought it right here at cost basis 183 and 179. I made $144,000 profit. I have $1,074,789.31 cash available in the trading from growing that stuff. Made a 38% gain and a 41% gain on the 2 positions. Newsletter came out Friday, April 20th, 2018. Says trying hard to make something happen. The market's pretty tough. Play for one direction into a $2 Heinz move. Same thing with the swing. It just takes more days. Stock went to 3. So right here, I'm in the room and I'm like, dude, insane. Mike, check this out. I'm trading Blink, bro. It's up 90 cents at 238 on 4.5 million and halts. I'm the king of the halts. Okay. Stock's 238. So I go to my journal and I'm like, dude, you ain't going to believe this. I go to my journal. Everyone, this is the big thing, journaling. This is where I'm a teacher. I teach myself to become a better trader. And I remember in my journal, I wrote a story about NXTD, NXT ID systems that was just like Blink. It was up huge and it had warrants. And I'm like, dude, if we buy the warrants and it goes up the next day, we'll make a huge amount of money. So I put out the newsletter on July 15th on Friday. And I said, NXTD, stock in play, trend friendly in motion, just like I showed you. We may go another day. See the image. We're going to buy half size strategy right here. See it? NXTD, 55 cents. The stock went from 55 cents to $2. 566% gain on this, from 20 cents to $2, 566% gain. We nailed, and I remembered that move on NXTD right here. I remembered that from 2016. So I said, dude, look, May 9th, right here, the one right next to me. Great pick on eBio in here. See the chart on here. We're going to go Blink and Blink warrants. We're going to do the dip at 527. Remember NXTD, the 100% we move we saw a few months back. So I remembered the NXTD, called out the Blink, and here at 570. Here at 570 and Blink at 5. Look, dude, here went to 23 and Blink's at 8. Warrants are 3. August 2016, I put out the swing pick, Digital Power. August 18th of 2016 at 73 cents. Here's all the circles filling my Ken Slim priorities. Stock went from 73 to $4. Here's another one, Net Element. Actual swing pick on April 10th. Here's all the circles, insider buy, 5 million, 6 million, 12 million, 15 million, all 4 quarters of amazing profits and increases. The stock picked at 28 cents right here, went to $34. 28 cents to $34, a 12,000% gain. Actual swing pick on Long Island iced tea right here at $4.97. Stock went to $9.50. Ken Slim, 3/4 quarters on the bottom, low institutions, insider buying, good relative strength, high volume, fits the pattern. Boom, stock doubled, 375% gain, boys. SSC, same pick, same looking chart. Cup and handle, look, cup and handle on Long Island iced tea, cup and handle on 7 Stars Cloud, 3/4 of 999% earnings, stocks at 218, stock doubles to $5, 122% gain. Mojo swing pick here, Mojo sells right there. They are awesome. Here's the actual pick on 12/02 of 2017 in the Mojo chat room of the crypto company, CRCW, 100 shares at 22. Look at this. Look at this. In 7 days, it goes to 642. 100 shares at 22 for 2,200 turns into 64,200, a 2,918% gain that I delivered to my subscribers in 7 days. And that's the swing trading with the Ken Slim. That's the swing trading. PTOP, bought here at a penny, sold at 7, 900% gain. Bonus number 3, I am hooking you up with the swing trade newsletter and my crypto newsletter for 3 months for free. You guys have been with me. Every single person that started this webinar is still here. There's an additional couple more. You got Understanding Level 2 for $99, my chat room, both channels for $297, and the newsletter for free for 3 months, $297 as well. Hooking you up. Now, I have this program. I spoke with the firms, the Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, Interactive Brokers, Cobra Trading, Speed Trader, Short Trader, TradeX, you name them. I said, dude, I am an amazing educator and I have the best students and they're all winners. These are the kind of guys that don't blow up and they're trading at this firm. You want them to trade at your firm, you need some incentive for them. They pay me $2,000 for the education. So if they trade with you and they're doing like a $500 a day, let's say they do $1,000 a day, discount them 25%, only charge them $750 a day, discount them $250 for 10 days until they make back the $2,000 that they paid for the education. And then if they continue to trade like a champion, keep them on the discounted commission, otherwise put them on your standard commission. And I've got 4 firms that agreed to that you can go trade with. Present them your certificate of graduation from Mojo University and your PayPal receipt, and they will put you on a discounted tuition rebate program until you cover all the costs that you paid for all the education that you did with Mojo. It's awesome because they believe in me. I'm an approved educator with Interactive Brokers, guys, the largest trading institution in the planet Earth today. Minimum accounts, 25,000. They took Mojo University. They took the course to approve me that I could send traders to them, that they would discount you and accept you in the door. Interactive Brokers using the DOS Trader platform with Cobra Trading, 27,000 minimum, even cheaper commissions than Interactive Brokers. So I went to IB, went to their sister company, and got a better deal through them than actually going through Interactive Brokers, and it's all back-end IB. I got the best deals set up for the traders. You want to trade at Speed Trader, 27,000 minimum, 4-to-1 buying, 350 per ticket. Dude, do 10,000 shares, 350. 2,000 shares, 350. Everything's 350. All cheap commissions, not 5, 6, 7 like you're paying at these other firms. I've negotiated tuition rebate paybacks, and I've negotiated the lower commish. So that's awesome. How it works is you enroll in and completely pay for the course and send a copy of your email with your PayPal receipt to the firm, and they're going to get you on the plan. That's just how I explained it. Okay. It's amazing. So what's crypto trading? I'll show you what that is. That's awesome. It's the same thing as stock trading. It just takes a longer time. It doesn't happen in the same day or the same minute. It's several days. So day trading stocks is day trading. 5 minutes is too long. Day trading crypto is a much longer period of time. And I have great on my website, all great information about crypto. And we trade crypto in the chat room also. 9:13 a.m., we're going to do Heinz 15,000 on Bitcoin. Look, buy at 9:13, sell at 9:46 at Heinz 15,000. 800 points on Bitcoin in 15 minutes, and you can see it right there. Heinz, guys. Heinz. Okay? Boom. 14.9 to 15.7. Then you got Topcoin. Did awesome on that. New pick. Topcoin right here, up 300%. We're going for a huge move. There's your stop loss. Topcoin went from 300 to 575% to 650%. Sold half. There's my orders. Sell submitted. I sold half of Topcoin. Then it went up 1,300%. Two piggies, Piggy Coin and Topcoin, my two winners. Okay, beautiful. That's how we do it. Bought at 6:40 a.m. Kaya Coin right here. Sold Kaya Coin from up 1,250 to up 2,200. Made 1,000% in 2 hours on that Kaya Coin. Sometimes they move. Sometimes it takes a longer time. But I'm going to alert you in the Mojo room with the screenshots just like this in the crypto trading channel. So mentoring is really important, guys. It's so, so important. Active versus a passive income. This is the whole ticket. Your active income is, this is you. You're counting your freaking pennies, man. Who wants to freaking do that? You're making lists, counting pennies. You want passive income. You want to be sleeping, making money. If you don't find a way to make money when you sleep, you're going to work until you die, Mr. Buffett. So I'm going to show you why so many entrepreneurs like you are creating passive income streams with stocks, crypto, and coin mining. This is my passive income stream besides day trading. It's my mining farm. Each one of these machines makes me $500 approximately a month. Add it up. Started with one machine for 500, 1,000, 15, 2, 2,500, 3. Look, there's the numbers, boys. This is my warehouse that I have now. I'm going to be doing 15,000 a month in this warehouse within the next 2 to 3 months. This is what I mine on my nice hash miner. Mining Neoscript, Equihash, Dagger Hashimoto. Mining my Bitcoin with my balances of making my Bitcoin. I make around $213 US a day. I make 0.0264 Bitcoin a day, which is around daily income of 193, weekly of 1,355, and monthly of 5,807. I don't do anything, but the workers and the computers run, and I make that money. It's awesome. My passive income stream is the following. In the top left is my Mojo Day Trading business. I make 1,000 a day. I have 700 subscribers to the Mojo Room. 20,000 a month Stock trading, 1,000 a day. Crypto trading, I make 500 a week, 4,000 a month. 6,000 a month, 200 a day coin mining. That income stream right there is 60,000 a month, 720,000 a year. This is you, your new income stream. $4,000 is your gig. Whatever your gig is now, make 200 a day and continue doing that. I'll show you in the Mojo room how to make 4,000 a month, 100 a day, or 1,000 a day for 40 grand. 100 a day is 100 a day is 2,000 because it's 20 days. 2,000 a month. It's a typo. But anyway, you get the idea. You're at 8,700 a month with crypto trading. I make you $100 a week, and coin mining, I make you $10 a day. 300, 400, 4,000, and 4,000. You're 8,700 a month. You're at 104,000 a year. You join up with me. I'll make sure that you can get to that. We'll do it together day by day, week by week, until you make sure you're on track to do that and exceed that. Because if you want to be successful, you got to find someone who's achieved the results you want and copy them, and you'll achieve the same similar results. Dude, Tony knows. My goals is to teach you the skills and provide you the tools I've used to be successful. Since 2012, I've taught hundreds of traders how to trade stocks, and I'm going to teach it to you. I showed you 80%. The trend is your friend. A big ask is bullish. A big bid is bearish. 85%, guys. Trade only green stocks. Trade like a businessman, not a trader. And execute your Heinz trade play with positive expectancy. Now you're trading following those rules at 85%. You want to get to 95%? That's what I teach you in the class. I teach you how to sell for profits. When a pick goes up a nickel, a dime, 20, 30, use your discretion. Watch the price action and volume and sell half for a profit, maximize the rest. Don't let the second half go lower than the first, and you can't lose. I show you how to sell. I show you how to buy. We get to 90% accuracy. Follow these two rules. I'm going to show you how to keep an amazing trading journal and daily goal sheets and tracking sheets on the Google Drives. Now you're trading at 90% accuracy. I'm feeling great, guys. Now, let me show you what you're going to get. You ready? The Mojo Toolbox, bonus 4 for free. I give you that. I got to give you all those tracking sheets, all the tools. $297, bonus 4. Today's webinar offer is my live class, June 5th at 8 p.m. Write the date down. That's the first class. Then it's Thursday, the 7th. Then the next Tuesday, the next Thursday. And the class is $19.97. You have lifetime access. So once you pay, you can always continue to take it every time I teach it for no charge. And there's 100% satisfaction guarantee. $19.97. Okay. My university recordings are $14.97. You get lifetime access to that. 100% satisfaction guarantee. $14.97. Includes 12 hours of HD video. All lessons, just like I'm teaching you now. Mojo Live class February, Mojo Live class October. Old classes, including the current one that I'm teaching, you can, repetition is the key to mastery. You can kick ass, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So guys, here's the deal today. You're getting with me the live trading course for $19.97, bonus 1, the level 2, bonus 2, the chat room for 3 months, the newsletter for 3 months, the toolbox for $297. My online day trading course, a total value today for $4,484. You're getting the chat room, the newsletter, the chat room, and the newsletter right there. Those are them. What else do you need? What else do you need? More value. More value. Bonus 5, I'm giving you the course. $14.97. You got that, dude. It's done. Online day trading course. When you join today, it's an educational service, the most awesome community of all like-minded trading entrepreneurs like yourself in the world today. Don't let anything hold you back from when I show you how to get enrolled, from getting enrolled right now. Get your credit cards ready. We're going to go on to the PayPal, and you're going to pay for my live class, and I'm going to get you in the day trading room tomorrow, and we're going to start scheduling our calls and making it happen, because that's what I do. You're going to be able to make money now. Join the chat room now. Pick your trader name right now. Whatever trader you want to be. Trader Gabrielle, Trader Lowe's, Trader Sergi, Trader Brown, and a whole bunch more. Summarizing, let me just summarize. Day trading course, level 2, both chat room and newsletter, toolbox, online course, $44.84. You could see why it's a good deal at $44.84. My live class has been $19.97 since 2012, but because I'm looking, 2 people are gone from the beginning. Mostly 98% are still here. I'm giving you a sweeter deal. Check it out. I had 2 ways I could price this baby for you. I can go as cheap as possible and like give it away, but it doesn't incentivize me to devalue all my hard work in the last 6 years. So my second option requires a little bit investment from you, but in exchange, I can guarantee more time for your success. It's 50% off $44.84. You get it all for $19.97. I know. Hold back the applause, will you? Hold on. It's not over. You have 2 choices. First option is to do nothing and risk missing out on the chance of a lifetime to be a pro trader and work with me. It's my only class I've done all year, and it will probably be maybe one more in towards the end of the year. So everything's growing for the Mojo. You follow a winner and a leader, you'll be a winner and a leader. Okay? Don't miss out. If you do nothing, it's risk-free, obviously. You don't have to do anything, no risk for you, but miss out on that one guy that could change it for you, okay? For a small investment today compared to the value that you're going to get in return, stop the fear of missing out with the great opportunities and give yourself a break, because you do deserve it. You've been with me this long. You really do deserve it to become a pro trader. You make 1 to 5% a day, $1,000 a day. That's what we're going to get you to make $1,000 a day and be your own boss, to have your own home-based business and be financially free and provide a better life for your family. I'm not punking you. No. But what would be the ultimate? What would be the ultimate? You know what would be? Another 50% off. That would be the freaking ultimate, dude. Plus my crypto school. Get out of town. Who put that slide in there? $9.97, like my day trading school. I just built my crypto school. I'm giving you that too. Lifetime access and 100% satisfaction to my crypto school for $9. All right, fine. Bonus 6. Done. Done. $9.97. I throw that in too. Curriculum, importance of a routine, opening your wallet, advanced charts, rookie mistakes, the Heinz, all on the curriculum. Crypto 101, 102, 103. Mojo University live class is Tuesday at 5. Let me show you how to get signed up, okay? You're going to get 6 awesome bonuses. The level 2, the crypto and the newsletter for 3 months, the toolbox, my online course, access for a lifetime, and my crypto trading school. The bonuses are 3,500 beanerinos, okay? It's $997 to join, and you get all of that. I'm giving you another 50% off and 2 payments. 1 payment of $997 or 2 payments of $598. I'm ready to rock and roll with you boys. This is the best deal. You're paying $200 more with the $598 if you got to split it up, but I do the 1 payment. How do you do it? Let me show you. You're getting $5,481 of everything for $997 right there. How you enroll is you go to mojouniversity.teachable.com and you enroll. Mojo University .teachable, and all the courses will be loaded for you. You go there. Let me show you. I'll go there right here. Let me do preview as a logged out user. All right. And here it is. Webinar. Offer. Day trade for a living. And just click that. Enroll in the course. There's what you're getting. And frequently asked questions. The course starts now and it never ends. It's a completely self-paced online course. That's the online. The live one gets taught on Tuesday the 5th. And how long do you have access? For your lifetime? As long as you like, across any device. No refund policy. Guys, there are no refunds. So please consider this carefully before making your purchase. Once you gain access to the course materials, the Mojo intellectual property has been accessed by you. This means there's absolutely no refund. So please consider this before purchasing. I don't want you guys going on, paying, copying, and saying, oh, I want a refund. That ain't happening. If you're on it, you get it. Done. In. You ate the food. Done. $997 for the 1, 2 payment plan here. You click enroll in the course right there. And then you'll have for $997. See what Alan says right there. And Pro Trader Ant, you're getting all the great stuff. You can go credit card or PayPal right there. And you enroll for $997. And I promise you, you will love the course. If you're not satisfied, you let me know why, that it wasn't amazing like the webinar tonight, and we could take it from there. But on June 5th, I'm teaching this. There will be over 50 pro traders that will come back to watch and participate in the class that you guys will be in. Over 50. It'll be a large class. However, it'll be well worth it. So right now, let me go back here to the Teachable right there. Every day, guys, my new guys, you're going to go like this. I'm going to get your phone number and give you my number, and you're going to text me. Mike, I made 125 in Nugget, 173 in UV. Mike, I made this. Just like Alan, had to text them all the time to get them up to speed. I want to know what you're doing. So after sending me $326 and 163 for 3 weeks, I'll say, dude, add a 0. You better be making some more money. You've won for 3 weeks in a row. So I'm going to bring your game up. With me and you're going to be tight. Okay? Tight. Oh, this is the wrong one. I was going to play Tom Ballou's Impact Theory. I could do it. How much do I have to invest? We'll go over that. You could start with as little as $2,000, brother. Yeah, I give you my cell number. Definitely. We definitely got to be in contact. Let me show you Thomas. Let me show you Tom. Tommy Ballou, Impact Theory. Listen, guys.
Don't just aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference. Anything you want good, you can have. someone else up. Each one, teach one.
Listen to Tom.
People don't necessarily want you to succeed. And the bigger your dream, the more people that are going to come out of the woodwork to try to stop you. As Oliver Emberton said, the only way to avoid pissing people off is to do nothing important. But if you're striving for something important, if you're trying to make real change, if there's something in your life that you are absolutely hell-bent to make happen, you have got to understand that you're going to be fighting against something. People are going to be pushing back against you, and it is going to be your ability to hold true to that vision that's going to determine whether you can pull it off. And as Victor Hugo said, you have enemies? Good. It means you stood up for something at some point in your life. And that's what people miss. They somehow want to get through this unscathed. They somehow hope that with this grand change that they want to make, that people just fall in love. But they see your vision.
See my vision.
That they want you to lead them. That's not the way that people work. Having a vision already puts you in an incredibly rare group of people. Being able to see something that other people can't see. That is the role of a visionary, is literally to interpret the world that other people don't even know exists and bring it into fruition and get people excited about it, get them to fall in line. But understand, when you build an army, you will have an opposing force. But as Mark Twain said, keep away from those who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that. But the really great ones, they make you believe that you too can become great. And that's the kind of person you want to surround yourself with. You want to surround yourself with people that believe in you. You want to surround yourself with people that even when they can't see it, they can see you. Even when they don't understand what you're trying to build, they believe in you, and they're willing to get in line, and they're willing to make that opposing force. And when you're able to galvanize people around your idea and push it forward and paint for them the world not as it is, but as it could be, that's when you can make change.
Better believe it, Tommy. I'm making change, brother. Does that link work now? Does that link work? Cool. Thanks, boss. Thanks, boss. Thanks for joining, man. Thanks, Mike. Let me show you some more slides, brother. So that's Tommy Blue, Impact Theory. I love that guy. I want you to meet the team. This is Alan.
Good afternoon and welcome to MOJO Day Trading. I'm Coach.
Make it louder. Listen. He's awesome.
Good afternoon and welcome to MOJO Day Trading. I'm Coach Alan. I want to talk to you briefly today about my experience in trading with MOJO Day Trading.
Paid me $2,000.
Coach Mike and the rest of our elite day trading team.
5 years ago.
I've been with Mike since the beginning, late 2012, early 2013.
Yep.
I ran a very successful insurance practice.
What the hell happened?
Good afternoon. While at the same time reducing my overhead and being able to work out of my luxurious home office, which you can see, that's where I am today. So I scoured the internet.
Oh, man, it went out again. Anyway, let me go to the part where he hasn't lost. Let me fast forward.
An hour in the morning.
Right here.
Again, it's info. It's no excuse for you to see for yourself.
Listen.
What your new life can be like. And
Incidentally.
My system is so good, and I only trade his picks, that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014.
Yep.
You heard that right, folks.
You heard it.
I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never read for the day.
2 years and 1 month, guys. I'm telling you. The system he's talking about works. 3 years, 235 days, 705 days in a row without losing. Imagine having an account growing like that, boys, 1,000, 2,000 a day. You better believe it. It's awesome, dude. So nice. All he does is follow the mic. 4 years ending. He ended the win streak after 4 years, 1,200 days. He had a losing day like a month or whatever ago. He had one losing day since November. He did it in early May. Market's been tough. He had a losing day, but it was less than 1,000. Can you believe that? A champion, man. Then you got Gerardo. This guy's from Miami, very consistent. Michael, thank you for signing up, Mike. Thanks, man. I appreciate the confidence. I really do. Been doing this for 25 years. Nobody knows more than myself or can help you better than me, like I did for Gerardo. Listen. What's up, kid?
Gerard, coming to you live from Miami. I really just wanted to testify. Give a little testimony.
I'm going to fast forward this video to the end. Look at his face when he's what he made his first month trading. He was on the demo for 3 months. Ready? Watch.
$100 bill. If you
Oh man. Right here.
With Mike in the room. I don't know if you guys have seen the new $100 bill, the beautiful blue. If you're not in the MOJO,
got a nice Bitcoin right here.
You might have not seen one, but this is what it looks like right here.
What a Bitcoin looks like right here.
I love it. I love that blue.
Love that Bitcoin.
But this is what.
Look at his face.
100. Pretty
cash.
$100 bills looks like, baby. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna get a nap, but 100.
10,000.
$10,000 in 1 month trading with the MOJO Day Trading room? Man, I couldn't believe it. I saw the numbers on my screen, but I just didn't believe it. And sometimes seeing is believing. And let me tell you something, MOJO, Mike, you showed me a lot, brother. And I'm eternally grateful for that. Anybody who's not in the MOJO Day Trading room, these results could be in your bank account.
Yep.
All you gotta do is come on by.
Told you they could be you too, guys. Telling you, your new passive income. You can make more money, have a home-based business. Thanks, Mike, for signing up. You guys on YouTube, thank you. You got any questions, put it in the chat. I'll answer them. Be your own boss. I'll help you work your own hours, retire early, better life for your family. Guys, get a sick-ass car and a nicer house and play golf in the afternoons. Eat at the best restaurants, go shopping and spend money at any time. You need to be a happier person because you deserve it, man. Live life the way you deserve. It's going to happen by being a member and part of this team and day trading team, okay? The classes are at 8 to 10 p.m. They're in the evenings. They have no problem with your work schedule, 9 to 5. And if you miss one, it's recorded. You can watch it in the dashboard. It's amazing. Pro Trader Ants all the way from Norway, dude. Doesn't matter where you're from. This guy didn't know the difference between a candlestick and a candle wick, and now he's a master trader with me. Being your own boss, what's it worth? I don't know. How much would you make in a month? What's your best winning month with me? Not just a regular. How much would you make? 25 grand? 10 grand? 2 grand? 5? How much would you make? How much would you pay to run your own business? A lot, guys. This is Lobster, military guy, millionaire trader in the MOJO Day Trade room, built his business. Listen to the sincerity. He's a vet. He's a war guy. He's a military, flies sick helicopters and stuff, but he learned how to day trade. I taught him. Listen to what he says.
Hey guys, Pro Trader Lobster here.
You make it louder. There you go.
Hey guys, Pro Trader Lobster here. Just want to talk to you quickly about my time so far with MOJO Day Trading. I initially chose MOJO Day Trading and Pro Trader Mike due to Pro Trader Mike's commitment to integrity and professionalism that he brings to.
Thanks, Michael, for signing up. Thanks, Sergi. Thanks, Malud.
It's not a sprint. Once I started coming to
Thanks, Robert.
every day, I saw Pro Trader Mike's commitment to the students passionate for the students.
See how I act with my students? Me and this guy buddies.
And how he's more invested in the students' success.
Yeah.
Teaching them how to trade.
I already am successful. I don't need to be more successful. You need to be successful. So let me make you successful.
And you can tell there's a true passion for helping others and educating others and teaching people how to trade well and be successful as day traders.
Exactly. Thank you, Lobster. You're the best. So guys, if all this did for you was gave you trading powers, would it be worth it? You know, for $9.97, get out your credit card, guys. This is the course. You're getting 3 months of the day trade room, 3 months of the chat, 3 months of the newsletter, the school, the courses, $5,000 worth of it all, guys. If you do it a la carte, you're going to get a home-based business. I'm going to show you how to get the screen set up, your monitor set up, everything set up. You're going to tell your buddies you're a trader. It's really cool. mojouniversity.teachable.com. I put the address in the link. The link's working now, they said. No problem. I'll put it in there again. Done. Already got 3 or 4 of you signed up. We'll schedule wife calling. You got it, Mike. Peace. See you. See you tomorrow. I'll get the emails. I'll send you all out welcome emails with instructions on how to do everything. So guys, do we have a deal? You're getting all that, $19.97, the crypto, the toolbox, the online, the cryptos are $5,481 of everything that I've built and done for $997. Go for it. Not a mistake. Awesome. Great job. If you didn't sign up immediately, you think you may work full time, you can't do it. Wrong, guys. I got the swing for you too. You'll ease into it. It's only 30 minutes. Even if you only come to the room and trade 2 or 3 trades 2 or 3 times a week, it's still good. You think it's too hard, you're scared, you don't be alone. That ain't going to happen. That's wrong. You don't want to lose money and F it up. Nobody wants to F it up. Of course not. That's if you didn't sign up immediately. But guys, there's the link, Mojo University Teachable. That ain't going to happen. The real question is, if this even did half of what I'm claiming and showed you today in the webinar, it's going to pay you 100 times over. I want you to see Colin right here. See this young guy in New York? Joined me July 21st of 2014, 4 years ago. MOJO Day Trading got me here to Disney. He takes his family on trips with the profits this kid's making, man. Young, bucking kid just opened a brand new restaurant in New York City called a sushi place, and he named it the Mojo Roll. He's got a Mojo Roll for the Moj. Love it, guys. These are the kind of things: houses, cars, businesses, mining warehouses. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. And I'm giving you the value. Does anybody have any questions that I can answer? On YouTube, Twitch, anywhere. Does anyone have any questions that I can answer? Any questions? There's 9 classes total, I would say. It depends. It depends. Each one could be different. However quickly I could do. I usually like to teach for an hour and 30 minutes at the most. I can't go 2 hours. I give an hour to an hour and a half of just like this, of power-packed information. Tuesday and Thursday nights until I get through it all. And this time I'm including, it's going to be day trading, swing trading, and crypto trading. All live in Mojo University. It's the best. Anybody else have any other questions? Definitely, you can invest $5,000 easily. Yeah. You kidding me? $500, you make $250 a day. Compound that with me every damn day. You're rich, dude, after a year. And you got a big account. I'm Pro Trader Mike, guys. I want to thank you for attending. My email is info@mojodaytrading.com if you want to send me an email. Absolutely, Jorge. You can invest $5,000. And the money that you're paying, the $997, the firm is paying you back in commissions. It's a win-win, no-brainer, guys. I've set it all up, trying to make the least factors of failure and ability to succeed. The hurdles are this big instead of that big. Thanks, Howard. Appreciate you staying and watching this whole time, brother. Howard's a pro trader too. Dude, I saw this movie, Rampage, tonight with a big old wolf. They had a big wolf in the movie. Wolf. To start the class, I have to download the platform. No, what I'll do is to start the you're on Teachable. I teach in Zoom just like this. So I'll record and then I'll put the class recording up in Teachable. It's a link on Zoom, Zoom video. I use this platform to teach the courses. And the day trading platform, if you do the simulator with the day trading, I'll send you the link for that to get set up, and I'll send you the download platform link and the instructional video after we have a 15-minute chat in the chat room. Make sure you have speakers and a microphone so we can have a conversation. I want to get to know you. I want to see you. I want to be your trading friend, man. It's good to have a trading friend. A guy like me, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a good friend to have. If you're picking a team, you're the captain, and you're picking a trading team, you guess who you're picking first. I ain't getting picked last. I'm getting picked first, brother. Kidding me? And I'll razzle dazzle, put it between my legs, backspin, and dunk it on you quick. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what we do. Nicholas, thank you. Appreciate it. Robert, thank you. Malud, thank you for joining. All you guys. Awesome. Appreciate it. You could see the quality of my teaching. I love to teach, my passion for teaching and helping guys and building my team. You'll be with me for many, 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 many years. You can only trade on Friday. Well, guess what? There's 4 Fridays a month. That's $2,000, $500 every Friday just to get it started. Once you can prove and you can do that and justify, you're probably in a couple months would maybe add in a Wednesday and a Friday. You'd want to. Or maybe be like, you know, it's only 60 minutes. No, maybe make a rearrangement of your other work schedule and tell the boss, look, I'll stay an hour later. I'm coming in. I'll stay an hour later because I can't come in an hour earlier. I'm making more money in that 1 hour than I do at your job all week. I'm not going to tell you that because you'll fire me, but that's the truth. And eventually, if it proves out to be like that, I'm out of here, dude. I'm my own boss. I don't want to work in your ass. You can't tell them that, but that's what you're thinking. Absolutely. That's what I would do, Richard. And I'd get the Swing Trade newsletter in the meantime. I'd take the course, learn this system, this profit system in the Heinz trade play. It's a lifetime, it's a power. You have like a superpower. That's it. So guys, listen, I appreciate everyone taking the time this evening to come out. Thank you for enrolling, the group of you that have. I'm going to do another webinar during the week at a different time zone because the international people, I've gotten a lot of emails, couldn't attend this one, and they asked me if it was recorded. So rather than give them this recording, I'm going to take the time to answer their questions because it's going to be different people and do it for them live. So I really appreciate everybody coming. Thank you. Let me look to see if there's any other questions. You can do this on your cell, correct? You have 2 screens at work, but not sure you can get up. Yes, absolutely. You could trade from your phone. They have the Dash Trader platform right here on the phone. See, I got my Dash Trader right here, logged in, trade right there off the level 2, right there. Unbelievable. Just kidding me? Right there. And you have Discord. You get the chat room also on your phone, an iPad. I mean, everything's done. It's sweet. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Question. Starting the class, I have access to your chat for 3 months. I'm giving you the chat room access for free for 3 months. Your product level, yeah, no, you won't, Nicholas, because you're going to make money so quickly. I'm going to tell you that we're done, shut it off. That I'm thankful that you're able to go and get quickly back to work. You're not going to lose productivity. You're going to be so pumped from making money in that hour. Your productivity at work's going to say, dude, what's that smile on your face? You got a little hip in your step, baby. Be like, yeah, I'm in the Mojo chat room. Yeah, you can watch the recordings immediately. Absolutely. Go ahead. Any further questions? Yeah, my email is info@mojodaytrading.com. And on my Twitter, you can always get into the chat room for free. Right here on the top of my Twitter is the chat. I used to have 50,000, 47,000 followers. Right here, founder of Mojo Day Trading, chat room pass. There's the link to the chat room, that HT Discord link right there. That's the link for the chat room. And you get in. Once I see you in there, I'll change your role into a trader. And that's what I do. So I got that going for you. I'm going to be done with this job once I get going. Yeah. I'd say within 6 months to a year, Nicholas, with the right planning, with me and you together, you do whatever you want. We'll make it happen. Absolutely. Anad, thank you for joining. Thank you. Jonathan, yes. My email is info@mojodaytrading.com, guys. If you want to email me, I got a lot of people that signed up. So it's late. I got to get out the newsletters. Give me time to get you out this email within the next 30 minutes, welcoming you to the team with full instructions, and we're set to go. So that's answered. That's done. So thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Pro Trader Mike signing off, and keep it profitable. Peace.